Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk about torque multipliers. What in the world is a torque multiplier? A torque multiplier is a device, it's basically a socket. This one is made by Ingersoll Rand. It's in 19 millimeter, this particular one. And the idea is as the socket is spun, okay, this outer ring here acts almost like a flywheel and gives this thing way more torque than you'd otherwise get. It says 50% more torque, and I believe it. Just kind of monkeying around with it, I tend to agree that if you can use a pretty weak impact. I mean, you could even use like an impact driver you'd use to drive screws into wood, something with low torque, and put this thing on it, and boom, you get a lot more torque. So my point is if you're ever in a situation where you're dealing with an extremely difficult bolt to get off, and even air tools aren't working for you, if you've got your Ingersoll Rand air tool and it goes up to 700 foot-pounds and it's still not coming off, you may want to track down one of these power sockets or these torque multipliers and give one of these things a try. I got this on eBay for probably like $30. And I think retail they're closer to like $60, $65. But you'd probably be smart to have one available, especially if you know there's a bolt that's just going to be a nightmare for you. This would be kind of your ultimate play. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you. I hadn't really seen anybody talking about torque multipliers in the past, so I thought this would be an interesting topic for you guys. Anyway, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And I look forward to talking to you guys on the next video.